In a quaint town, the old Grimsby Inn was known for its ghostly tales. One night, two friends, Jake and Tom, decided to test their courage. "I bet you can't last an hour in the haunted room," Jake challenged. "You're on," Tom replied with a grin. As the clock struck midnight, Tom entered the room armed with a flashlight and a bag of snacks. Suddenly, a ghostly figure appeared, moaning softly. "Ooh, I am the ghost of Grimsby," Tom, unfazed, offered. "You want some chips?" The ghost paused, then whispered, "Do you have sour cream and onion?" Jake burst in, laughing. "Even ghosts have taste." Remember, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.